Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Trading Cafe. Trading Cafe India (TCI) claims to offer stock trading education and mentorship along with proprietary tools like TradeCode. Some users have reported positive experiences such as improving their trading skills and making consistent profits. However, others have expressed dissatisfaction, saying the course material is not unique and can't be found elsewhere. There are also complaints about difficulty accessing tools and getting customer support. Some users question the authenticity of success stories shared by TCI, suggesting they may be exaggerated. Despite these concerns, TCI continues to operate and maintain a social media presence. It makes itself a reliable platform for traders but has mixed reviews. It's advisable to approach with caution and conduct thorough research before committing. Reading reviews from multiple sources can help provide a more balanced views. Be sure to assess whether the platform aligns with your trading goals and needs. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.